Medina,
Yeah.
you got some mail.
What is this, truly, kid? It's a YouTube. Okay, let's go. I just so happen to have a knife in here. Anybody who ever wondered what the packaging is like whenever you reach 100,000 subscribers, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get this package open so y'all can see what it's like to open up your 100,000 YouTube subscribers. We actually have, you want to come in here, we actually have 111 right now, which is a divine number. But yeah, back to this guy right here, right? This is what it looks like. This is the unboxing of the plaque. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th subscriber, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they come to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? So shout out to Neil Mohan, the YouTube CEO, and the moment we've all been waiting for, the uncovering of the, oh snap, this thing's heavy. Ah, there it is, brothers and sisters. This is for all of us, the YouTube, the MC Medina, Planet MC Medina, friends and family, everybody who's been supporting the YouTube channel. This is for us, guys. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Stay tuned. We got a lot more stuff coming up. New single and music video with Guy Electra called Shiva Ya. So y'all stay tuned. Peace. Love you guys.